Hey, my name's Melanie Chavis, and I'm doing today's DIY Wednesday. I'm going to be making some energy balls, some protein balls, and I'm going to be using doTERRA's new protein powder. So I am going to be making two different batches because I like to do gluten-free, and then I have a batch that I'm making for my son and my husband. So the ingredients: 1 cup old-fashioned oats, and then with me I got some gluten-free oats. 1/3 cup of honey, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm also adding coconut to mine. I just kind of sprinkled some in there. My son and husband don't like coconut, so we didn't put any in there. 1 1/2 teaspoon of water. Some chia seeds, which I just I think I put like a tablespoon, I think, in each. Actually, I'm kind of modifying my recipe, but I will post a recipe of doTERRA's recipe that's in their ebook. And then for the gluten-free one, I'm also dairy-free, so I have the vegan protein powder. So 1 scoop of protein powder of your choice, which I'm using the vanilla and my husband's and son's. And then you mix those all together. Let me show you what it looks like. Yummy. Okay, then we're gonna mix that all together, and you make it to a good consistency. If you need to add more oats, then add more oats, a little bit more water. I didn't have to, but also I didn't say I added 1 drop of On Guard. It says you can put cinnamon in it, so I put the On Guard, 1 drop of On Guard oil in it. So that's what it looks like there. And then you go ahead and roll it into 1-inch balls, like so, and store in the refrigerator in an airtight container. So you have a nice little protein snack whenever you want one. So I hope you like the recipe. And like I said, you can modify. You can put different things in there, dried cranberry, or craisins, or whatever you want. So there's endless possibilities. But I hope you like the recipe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I will also post the recipe in the comments. Bye.